What is going on, weirdos? What's happening tonight, guys? Market's looking pretty good this evening. Let's have a look across the space, see what we see. Got some pretty big news. Trump bought the dip. We're going to show you what he bought and how much. And we got some big news coming out of ZEBEC as well. Check this out, guys. Up 3.5% on the day, down 10.7 on the week, 26.5 on the month, and 27.5 on the year. Up one spot and ranked to 79, $819 million market cap, 58 million in volume. Swift coin almost even on the day, down 0.7%, down 11.5% on the week, 54% on the month, but up 358% on the year. Down two spots and ranked to 274, a $138 million market cap, 9 million in volume, very low volume. ZEBEC's having a great night, up 10.7% on the day, down 16.5 on the week, up 59 on the month, up 23 spots in rank to 335, $101 million market cap, 46 million in volume. Onyx coin up 3% on the day, down 8 on the week, 41.7 on the month, and up 538 on the year. We're up two spots in rank to 113, a $512 million market cap, 88 million in volume. All right, let's see what we have going on around the space here, guys. Let's look at some charts. Bitcoin, starting off with Bitcoin. So, nice daily close here, guys. We got to close right around 87,300. We want to keep closing above 85 for now. Now, I made a video this afternoon, and I wanted to just recapture what I said there if you missed it. So, guys, listen. This isn't guaranteed. In fact, I think it's a pretty small chance it'll happen, but it's still a possibility, so we're going to talk about it, okay? And I bring this up because I don't want people to be surprised if it ends up playing out. I want you to be ready. I want you to be prepared. I want you to have dry powder on the side. That way you are not emotional and panicking. You are instead buying the dip and enjoying the fact that you're getting low prices. So listen to me. Don't listen to me, but don't come to me later freaking out if it ends up happening. This yellow line that we've put here, guys, okay, that is $82,000. If we start closing daily candles below $82,000, there is a strong possibility, I would say probably a 60% possibility, a random number I just pulled out of my butt, but yeah, about a 60% possibility that we would see 79, maybe 77, even as low as $69,000. Now, what is the significance of $69,000? Well, that was the top of the last bull run, right? Will we come back down and touch that level? It is entirely possible. It's not likely, but it's possible. So what I want you guys to do is act as if, okay? I want you to act as if you are certain that we are going down to 69K before continuing on this bull run to the upside, okay? Act as if. That way you are not prepared. Be prepared for the worst, but expect the best, right? Have some dry powder on the side. You have time right now. Put in some extra time at work, put in some overtime, get some extra cheddar, any legal way that you can, guys, okay, to have some dry powder on the side. You have time. I'm telling you ahead of time. So if the time comes and you're telling me I don't have dry powder, I told you to be prepared, okay? I do this to help you. So I do it with love. Again, is it likely? I don't really think that it is. But again, if we start closing below this level, listen, if we close below here, I do think we'll see 79, 77, possibly 75. I think it's far less likely we'll see 69, but I have to tell you that it's possible because I'm not just a moon boy that just tells you up only, right? I have to give you both sides. That being said, if we continue closing daily candles above 85K, that is very, very bullish. What we want to do, and what I told you guys we were likely going to do, is ping pong between $85,000 and $91,000 for potentially a couple of weeks, right? So far, that is playing out exactly as I said. We're at what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days we've been down here now, right? So far I've been pretty accurate. In saying that, guys, we want to get for further continuation to the upside, right? And to start to invalidate the potential of a drop further down, we want to start closing daily candles above $91,000 again. 91, preferably 92, super preferably above 96, but I digress, right? One step at a time. Let's start closing candles above 91 first. 91, 92K, let's get above that. But as long as we're staying above 85, that's good. We do have the crypto summit meeting happening on Friday in the White House. Maybe that will be enough to get us up and moving to the upside, kickstart this stalled engine, and let's get moving. Let's start closing candles back up or over 96 with news, like with some good news coming out of there. A lot of rumors coming out that Trump is going to announce the whole zero capital gains tax on American-based cryptocurrency companies. Something like that would be huge. However, it still has to pass through Congress, though I don't think that will be much of a battle. I think it would pass through Congress, no problem. The fact that he may announce it, though, that, or who knows, maybe there's other super mega ultra bullish freaking news that they're going to announce. I would think that there's going to be multiple announcements coming out of a crypto summit meeting at the White House. I would imagine it's not just going to be one thing. So it could be a super bullish weekend, guys, going into next week. We could look back a week from now and laugh at how low we were and how the sentiment was so bad, or it could be a nothing burger and we could be down below that yellow line looking at amazing DC opportunities, guys. So me personally, for now, the course I'm taking is I'm going to continue to dollar cost average. I'm going to continue to scoop up as much as I can. We're scooping up, guys, we're scooping up a gem right now over on the Patreon that is extremely small market cap. The partnerships, guys, Tesla, Amazon, Google, all kinds of partnerships and stuff. I'm telling you right now, you want to get in early on this play. You want to know what it is. You want to get over to the Patreon to get in early, guys. We got in early on ZEBEC. We got in early on XCN. We bought XCN back last March of 2024. We made over 3,000% returns on that play, guys, right? That's what we do. We find these amazing projects. We get into them early. We accumulate. We wait for our investment to mature. And holy smokes, has it paid off. We have helped over 28 people on the Patreon hit 7-digit portfolios. That's what we do, guys. Check it out for yourselves. But continuing on with what I was saying here, yes, we want to continue. We want to close above this $91,000 range for now, okay? Moving over to, actually, let's go to Jasmy first. All right, so Jasmy, sitting on support, guys, just sitting at 1 cent 687. Can we hold that level? I think that will entirely depend on Bitcoin and what it decides to do, but this has been a respected level, especially lately. Wicked back above it there with support there, support there, support there, support where we are right now. We'll see what happens. If Bitcoin can start to move to the upside, Jasmy can follow suit. We are still inside this falling wedge pattern, so that is very, very bullish. I showed you guys a million times, but why not? Why not zoom out and show you one more time, okay? 3 months we've been in this structure, okay? Well, a little over 3 months. Last time we were in this structure, guys, 5 months we spent right here, 268% move to the upside on that breakout. So something that you definitely want to be paying attention to, guys, right? So people that ask me if they should be selling their Jasmy right now, all I can think is you must have lost your damn mind. But I digress. Going over to XCN. What do we have going on, guys? We had the breakouts. We fell back down inside. We had a spinning top candle yesterday. We're outside. We've retested the top of the trend line. If we can get Bitcoin moving in the right direction here tomorrow and the next day, maybe going into the weekend, we could see Onyx Coin start to make its move back up to resistance here around that 2 cent 387 level. And we'll kind of take it from there. But that's what you want to watch for on XCN. Swift Coin. Before we get into Swift Coin, guys, quick shout out to the channel sponsor. That is Decent Self self-custody wallet, guys. Get you one. I got mine. Not your keys, not your coins. Do not trust these exchanges with your crypto, guys. Hold it in self-custody, cold storage wallets. Stay safe from hackers. Stay safe from exchanges freezing your assets. Get you one. The link is down below. Shout out to them. Use our link. Get a discount, guys. All right, so SwiftCoin doing very similar. We broke out, guys. We even broke above resistance here at 1 cent 793, but unfortunately we fell back down inside of this falling wedge pattern. Now we are sitting at 1 cent 385, trying to retest the top of the trend line for another attempt at a breakout. Again, depends on what Bitcoin does. It is the tide that rises all boats. What else do we have? ZEBEC. So this channel is becoming more and more clear on ZEBEC here, guys. Very similar to what XCN and Swift are doing in this descending channel, right? Just ping-ponging sideways, coming down, wicking all the way back up. How long have we been in this now? About two and a half weeks, something like that. So a nice consolidation phase, a nice reaccumulation process, guys. Will we get a breakout on this? Again, you guys know the answer. It all depends on what Bitcoin does, right? We've been very frustrated lately. Red, green, right? Let's get a couple of consistent big green candles in a row and get this going, because I really do think that ZEBEC is going to have a move similar to what Onyx Coin did last month, guys. I mean, you're looking at probably 2, 3, 4, potentially 500% move to the upside on this. I am very excited about it. Segueing out of ZEBEC, out of that, guys, I wanted to show you this. So ZEBEC is doing a Spaces tomorrow morning. We'll probably kind of replay it on the live stream or something like that, see what they have to say. Made in USA. They're very, very much shilling that across, guys. They're really trying to get into that Made in USA strategic reserve, which would be massive for the project. And why not? Decentralized finance project, Trump's bread and butter. It checks all the boxes, guys. So I absolutely think that they have a good chance at it. And I wanted to point this out. Clown World, check this guy out. Investor Prime says, absolutely shocking from Onyx DAO. Whoever runs this outfit needs to sort out their, you know what, right? He says, you promised Goliath news for XCN today. He posted this yesterday, by the way, guys. You could have released this in the morning when everything was pumping. Investors got impatient, and now there is a market dump. So essentially, this person is angry at the project. Listen to the level of entitlement and audacity of this individual, okay? It's so shocking that I had to point it out, all right? So they promised to release Goliath information yesterday, right? And they did. They did what they said they were going to do. But this guy's mad because they didn't release it first thing in the morning when the market was pumping so that he could sell and take profit. So because the company didn't drop the news when he, as an individual, wanted them to, that must mean that the company's team doesn't have their stuff together, right? Do you see the level of audacity and entitlement that some investors in this space have? This is absurd to an unbelievable degree that this person would have this kind of mindset, that because they didn't drop the news first thing in the morning for him to sell his portfolio, the company must suck, right? You see what I'm talking about, guys? I can't even. I got to move on, but it's audacious. It really is. It's unbelievable, right? Little bit of XPR for you guys. This is a project we got into early on the Patreon as well. We're probably going to start talking about it a lot more now that everyone over on the Patreon has had an opportunity to accumulate, guys. I keep telling you, you want to get in early on these gems. Get over to the Patreon. So they say, ready to create your own token on XPR network, guys. So they have a video here. I'm not going to play it, obviously, right? But if you want to learn how to launch a token on their network, guys, here it is right here. I'm going to share it on my X. If you want to watch it, check it out on my X page. Follow me over there on X. I personally would never create a token. Never going to happen, guys. Don't even worry about it. But yeah, so something to think about there. Very, very interesting. Now listen, I asked Grok today, okay? Simple question. Don't mind the caps. I thought I had caps lock on, so it says, did World Liberty Financial buy crypto today? If so, what did they buy? So while the market was red and dumping and all that stuff earlier today, guys, while you were panicking, Trump was buying crypto. Yes, based on available information, World Liberty Financial did buy cryptocurrency today. However, there is no specific date in the provided references that details purchases made on the exact date. Earlier reports from January 20th indicate sufficient crypto purchases by World Liberty Financial. So they had purchased 4.7 million Chainlink, 4.7 million Aave, 4.7 million Tron, 4.7 million ENA, and 4.1 million in wrapped BTC, 18.8 million in Ethereum. So yes, reports are they did buy today. They just don't have the exact numbers. This is what they purchased last time, January 20th. So that was their initial investment. But according to Grok, yes, Trump and World Liberty Financial did in fact purchase crypto today. So while you were panicking, they were buying. Put your money, put your pennies where they put their dollars. Not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo, right? All right, guys, so listen. Like I said, the gem that we're picking up over on the Patreon right now, if you think that XCN had a big run, you have not seen anything yet with this one, guys. Tiny market cap, amazing partnerships, phenomenal tokenomics, narratives, guys. It checks all the boxes. You're going to want to check this one out for yourself. It's over on the Patreon, guys. Check it out. The link is down below. We are live over on the Patreon every single evening, so you can join us for those. You can book your one-on-one coaching calls with me over there, but spots book up very, very fast, guys. You have to get in there, get your spot booked. We have over 1,900 members over there now, so get over there, join the community. The chats are buzzing 24/7. I'm not the only one discussing gems over there, guys. The community is absolutely phenomenal, supportive. We've been helping lately. A lot of people are having trouble understanding how to operate their cold storage wallets and their hot wallets, stuff like Coinbase wallet, Phantom, stuff like that. So we've been helping a lot with that kind of stuff lately. Seems to be the popular thing people are having issues with. If you need help with these kinds of things, guys, we're there to educate. We're there to help. So get over there, check it out for yourself. Guys, listen, all these other channels are charging you between $100 and $1,000 a month. We just want you to buy us a Happy Meal. For the price of a Happy Meal, you could be over there enjoying all of these perks and so much more. And if you don't like it, guys, you can leave. If you check it out and you don't like it, you can leave. All it costs you was a Happy Meal. That's it. You didn't lose nothing, right? So check it out for yourself, guys. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Again, check out Decent Wallet. The link is down below as well, guys. Get your self-custody wallets in order. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.